Did you know it takes 7,000 liters of water to make one pair of jeans? That's like wearing 5 years of your drinking water on your butt. Fashion's never been so hydrated. Denim has always been tough, built for miners, motorcyclists, and mayhem. But now it's facing its biggest challenge yet, which is Mother Earth. Because all of its rugged charm, traditional denim has been one of the most wasteful, water-guzzling fabrics ever made. Now the industry has rolled up its sleeves and is re-engineering denim from the yarn up. Welcome to the new age of blue, where science, sustainability, and style finally meet.
The two main tenets of sustainable denim. There are two big ways the denim industry is saving itself from itself. One, change the materials, make denim fibers eco-conscious. Two, change the process, make the washing, dyeing, and finishing cleaner. Everything else, from recycling to design, is built on these two pillars. 1. Changing the materials, making denim greener from the inside out. The future of denim starts not in a sewing room but in a field, or sometimes a recycling bin. There are several steps one can take to effectively reduce the carbon footprint and make it greener. A few of them are: organic cotton skips pesticides and keeps our soil healthy. Hemp adds strength, breathability, and uses about half the water. Recycled cotton gives yesterday's jeans a second life. And then there are the new age fibers: Tencel, Ecovero, and Modal, all made from responsibly sourced wood pulp. They add softness, drape, and conscience, all in one thread. Together, these fibers are redefining what authentic denim means. No longer just rugged, but responsible. 2. Changing the process. Cleaning up how denim is made. But great materials alone aren't enough. You can grow the cleanest cotton, spin the greenest yarn, but if the process stays dirty, the planet still pays the price. For decades, denim production has been a cocktail of chemicals, dyes, and water waste. Brilliant for business, catastrophic for rivers. Now the focus has shifted from what denim is made of to how it's made. This is where the real transformation begins. In the mills, the laundries, and the wash houses that are turning one of fashion's dirtiest secrets into its cleanest comeback story. A. Water. Reality check. A single pair of jeans can consume up to 7,000 liters of water from farm to finish. That's enough to keep a person alive for nearly a decade. Or if you prefer, enough for one really thorough car wash. But things are changing. Factories now use closed-loop systems, recycled rinse water, and laser-based distressing instead of old sandblasting and stonewashing that wasted oceans. It's denim detox, with better tech and fewer rivers dyed blue. B. Eco-dyeing. Revolution. Traditional indigo dyeing was basically a chemical bath with a side of guilt. Today, innovators are flipping the script. At the fabric mill level, the biggest revolution isn't in color, it's in clarity. Mills are now installing advanced RO and ETP systems that treat every drop of wastewater before it leaves the factory, sometimes so clean it's drinkable. Many have moved toward low-liquor dyeing, foam dyeing, and biodegradable auxiliaries to reduce their chemical footprint and water use. Science is finally turning pollution into precision. 3. Finishing with care. The spa day for denim. Once upon a time, finishing denim jeans was like sending them to war. Stones, bleach, and acid were all part of the fun. Now, it's a wellness retreat for your jeans. Once the fabric leaves the mill, technology takes over. Lasers, ozone, and enzymes replacing the old weapons of bleach and stones. Enzyme washes use natural proteins to gently remove indigo. Ozone washing fades jeans using oxygen, not gallons of water. Laser engraving replaces hand sanding with light precision. Biodegradable softeners ensure wastewater can actually support life. Natural indigo, the original blue, is back, grown sustainably by farmers who never thought they'd compete with chemistry again. And those vintage looks everyone loves? They're no longer earned by time, but crafted by artistry. Puckering, distressing, tea stains, shotgun sprays, whiskers, PP spray, and rip and repair. All done consciously, with less water, less waste, and far more imagination. 4. Circular denim, giving old jeans a second life. Denim used to end up in landfills, a tragic end for something designed to last forever. Now, circularity is closing the loop. Take-back programs collect worn jeans, recycling projects spin them into new yarn, and denim-to-denim initiatives turn yesterday's fades into tomorrow's fabric. It's not nostalgia, it's responsibility, stitched into every seam. 5. The future of denim: smart, digital, and zero waste. And then there's the future, where denim might just outsmart us. Digital printing can now replicate vintage fades, branding, or patterns without wasting a drop of dye. It's precision artistry, the same personality, zero pollution. Zero-waste pattern cutting uses advanced software to arrange pattern pieces like a puzzle, leaving virtually no fabric offcuts. Some factories even refeed scraps directly into new yarn systems, closing the loop entirely. And yes, smart denims are on the horizon, fabrics that can monitor temperature or movement. Not exactly sustainable, but undeniably sci-fi cool.
So there you have it, the new denim revolution. Still rugged, still rebellious, but now armed with science and sustainability. The next time you slip into your jeans, remember, they are not just blue, they are brilliant. And if your pair can't save the planet, at least it can start the conversation. Because fashion may come and go, but denim somehow always finds a way to evolve. If you enjoyed this episode, give it a like, hit subscribe, and follow Bite-Sized Knowledge Balls for more short explosions of textile truth. Because knowledge, like denim, only gets better the more you wear it. See you on the other side.